Que lo que y'all, what's good? This is part 2 to the Spanish alphabet lesson. So if you haven't seen part 1 yet, head over there first and then come back to this one. So now that you know how to pronounce all the names of las letras del alfabeto, we're going to practice putting it to some rhythm and getting some speed to it. So I just downloaded this little metronome app and I'm going to play this beat and we're going to try to say the alphabet with the beat. So you're going to hear the little tick noise, it'll tick, and then we'll say the letter. You'll hear another little prompt noise, and then we'll say the next letter. So we're going to start off slow, and then we'll increase the speed just to get some practice in. All right, so you ready? Here we go. This is the speed. Now, after each little tick noise, that's when we'll say the letter. So let's go. A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so W, that one, it just don't fit well, but you get the point. All right, so now we're going to speed it up a little bit. So this time you're going to say the letter with the sound. So this is the speed. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Muy bien. Okay, let's do one more. So this one's going to be pretty fast. Let's see if you can keep up. Okay, we're still going to say it with the note. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so obviously you can go much faster than that. That's already pretty good. So if you can get it to that level, you're doing a good job. And if you haven't gotten it to that fast level yet, don't worry about it. You'll get there. Just make sure that you're practicing this and that you are making sure that your pronunciation is right as well. What's most important is not going as fast as possible. The speed will come as you really truly learn this alphabet. So keep practicing part 1 and part 2 of this series for El Alfabeto. And then in the next lesson, we're going to play some spelling games. So just make sure that you're prepared. Gracias por estar aquí. Hasta la próxima.